Hello everyone, my name is Cody, the rabbit teacher, and today I want to talk about collective nouns. So I will read this sentence. It says, a collective noun names a group of people, places, things, or animals. So let's see some examples. So, a collective noun looks like a singular noun. It behaves like a singular noun too. So, we can say like this. The chameleon, a chameleon is like a iguana, okay? So, the chameleon ate a group of flies. We cannot say a fly because there are many flies here. We can say a group of flies. Okay? Bye-bye, flies. So, let's look at these words. It says collective nouns for people. Match them. So people, Cody is a person. Teacher Kitty is a person too. And so teachers are people. Police officers are people. Okay. Number one, it says musicians. Musicians are people that play music, like the guitar, or the piano. These people are musicians. A group of musicians is B, a band. A group of musicians is a band. Number two, singers. Singers, la 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 la. What is a group of singers? Do you know? Audience, band, team, class, choir. A group of singers is E, a choir. Yeah, a choir is a group of singers. Now, number three, students. You are all students. So, what do you say for a group of students? It's the class, okay? The class is a group of students. Next one, it says players, okay? Players. A group of players is a team. It's a team. Now, listeners are a group of people that listen. Maybe they listen to musicians or they listen to singers. And a group of listeners is called an audience. Okay? Here are some more people. Dancers. What is a group of dancers? Do you know? A group of dancers is called a troupe. Yeah, a group of dancers is a troupe. Now, thieves. Okay, thieves. Thieves are bad people. And a group of thieves is a gang. A gang of thieves. Now, next one, tourists. Tourists are people that like to go sightseeing in new countries. See the Great Wall or see the Tiananmen. People that like to see new things in new countries are called tourists. So a group of tourists can be called I believe it's crowd, yeah. Wait, crew of people. Crew of sailors, flock. Yeah, a group of tourists, I believe, this is strange. A group of tourists is a flock, okay? A flock of tourists. There are so many tourists. Now, this one is called a sailor. Okay, sailors are the people that ride in boats, okay? They like to explore the ocean and sail on the ocean. They are sailors. A group of sailors is called a crew. A crew of sailors. Now, the last one is people. Okay? Do you know what a group of people is called? If you guessed D, then you're right. Now, a group of people is called a crowd. Crowd. It's a crowd of people. You can say this sentence. I can see a big crowd of people. Yeah. In the Beijing subway. Right? Oh. What animal can you see? I can see flamingos. Now, for birds, we also say flock. So, a group of flamingos is a flock. So we can say, I can see a flock of flamingos. Now, let's look at animals. Okay. What is a group of fish? A group of fish is a... What? I believe a group of fish is actually a school of fish. Okay. So you can say, I can see a school of fish. And that means there are many fish. Number 2, birds. Like I said, for birds like flamingos, we say flock. So you could say, I can see a flock of birds. Wow, there are so many birds. Lions, we say pride. I can see a pride of lions. Now, wolves, okay, for wolves, we would say a pack. I can see a pack of wolves. And for bees, we would say hive. I can see a hive of bees. Wow, there's more. There's so many. So, number 1, deer. What do you think? An army of deer? A herd of deer? A litter of deer? We can say herd. I can see a herd of deer. Now, for goats, we would also say a litter of goats. Okay, I can see a litter of goats. Now, for elephants, we would say a herd. I can see a herd of elephants. For ants, an army. I can see an army of ants. And for cattle, a herd. I can see a herd of cattle. Cattle are cows. Oh. So, stars, collective nouns for things and places. So, no more people. Let's look at things and places. So, number 1, stars. I can see a galaxy of stars. For flowers, we say bouquet. I can see a bouquet of flowers. For books, a library. I can see a library of books. For trees, a forest. I can see a forest full of trees. And for keys, we would say a bunch. I have a bunch of keys. Wow, there's more. There's so many. Shoes. I have a pair of shoes. Cards. I have a deck of cards. For ships, I can see a fleet of ships. For songs, I have an album full of songs. Mountains, I can see a large range of mountains. Now, a countable noun names a person, animal, place, or thing that you can count. For example, person, we can say one person, but for more than one, we would say people. I can see one person, I can see 2 people. Now, room, like classroom, bathroom, living room, we would just say rooms. So plus 1s. rooms. My house has many rooms. Same with dogs. I can see many dogs. An uncountable noun names something that you cannot count. So these things are like music, art, water, rain, snow, and air. For water, for example, we cannot count water. We can't say, how many waters do you have? I have 1 water, I have 2 waters. No, we can't. Now, abstract nouns are usually uncountable nouns, such as music, art, love, and happiness. For happiness, can you say, I feel 1 happy? I feel 2 happies? No, you cannot count. Same with idea words. Okay, idea words. Idea words are usually uncountable nouns, such as news, advice, information. Okay. Here are home and travel words. Also, uncountable. Furniture, like chair, table, luggage, and room. I think you can read the Chinese here too. Things we eat and drink that we can't count is like this. Rice. Do you like to eat 1 rice? Just 1? No. You say, I like to eat rice. Or sugar. I like to put sugar in my coffee. You cannot say 1 sugar or 2 sugars. It just wouldn't be right. Same with butter, water, and milk. Now, energy words are usually uncountable nouns too, such as power, gas, electricity. And these 2 money words as well. Money, currency. You can't say I have 1 money or I have 2 monies. No. You would say I have some money or I have a lot of money. These are good words that you can use before uncountable nouns. It says, we use the following words before uncountable nouns. Like some. I want some water. We can't say I want 1 water. We just say I want some water. Or any. Do you have any water? You would not ask, do you have 1 water? No. You would say, do you have any water? And they can respond with, we have so much water. Or we have a little water. Okay? Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.